Welcome back to another episode of Vaping with Johnny Clouds, and today we're going to talk about a new pod system from Sourin. If you remember the Sourin Air, the credit card looking pod system with the pods that wicked up like trash, we're going to talk about the new big brother, the Sourin Air Plus. Some of the improvements from the Sourin Air Plus compared to the original is that, one, it comes with two pods in the system, a 1 ohm pod and a 0.7 ohm pod. There is no on and off switch anymore. It has a 930 milliamp hour battery. It comes in a whole bunch of colors: gold, like a plum gunmetal blue, silver, a gunmetal, a gray, a red, and a teal green. Some of the other notable features on this: it uses a Usb-C cable, and that's included in the box as well. And to give you a look at the size of this, I'm gonna just use my Costco card here, but look at how small this thing is. Like, it's just barely bigger than a credit card, and you can see how thin this thing is. One of the other nice features that they put with this is they actually put a battery LED indicator. So let me see if you can see this here. I have the 1 ohm pod here, which you can see is noted on the side. It has a red gasket right there for the pod. And the pods are like a smoke color, but clear enough that you can actually see the e-liquid in them, which is nice. Let's just take a draw on this so you can see the battery indicator. Oh, one other feature, you cannot put them in incorrectly. They only go in one way, so if you try the other way, it just won't obviously work. So this is the 1 ohm pod, and what are we vaping on today? Oh my gosh, Tropical from Fuggin' Vapors. They make a whole bunch of juices, or e-liquids, salt e-liquids, and so check them out for sure. So let's take a rip on this thing here real quick. You can see there will be 5 LEDs right there on the side, and the 1 ohm pod is definitely very good for mouth to lung. It has a nice restrictive draw, but not too restrictive. I would definitely say this is a very easy pod to use for mouth to lung. Let's just take a rip with the 0.7 ohm direct lung pod here. The flavor and the vapor production in both of these is significantly better than the original Sourin Air. The feel of this device is, I like it. I like it a lot. It's really thin. Slides in your pocket. It's not too small that you'll forget it in your pocket and send it through the washer, because I've done that multiple times. The fact that it has a USB-C cable is really nice. It does have a 930 milliamp hour battery, and the feel of this is, it's like a zinc alloy or some type of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's actually feels really nice, for a very thin, compact device. I think it's pretty good. And one of the features that I like about this is the pods are 3.2 mLs, which is a ton of juice. With a 930 milliamp hour battery, easily get through the day. And the fact that it has a battery LED indicator on the side is really nice, because God knows it's a pain in the ass when your battery in your salt nick device is completely dead. So here's another look. At the LED indicator. But yeah, overall, this is a huge improvement over the original Sourin Air, and the fact that it comes in a whole bunch of colors. I think if you check it out, you'll like this device. I can definitely say I'll add this to my daily rotation of salt nic devices that I carry with me. So, but yeah, the fact that it holds a ton of juice and a bigger battery, this is definitely could be a all-day device for sure, you know, without issue on a battery charge. But yeah, keep it short and sweet. I'm Johnny Clouds, Sourin Air Plus. Come check them out. And everyone have a fantastic weekend. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up if you want. Hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell for future videos. And keep on vaping.